For many people, the ketogenic diet is a great option for weight loss. It is very different and allows the person on the diet to eat a diet that consists of foods that you may not expect. So the ketogenic diet is a diet that consists of very low carbs and high fat. How many diets are there where you can start your day off with bacon and eggs, loads of it, then follow it up with chicken wings for lunch and then steak and broccoli for dinner? That may sound too good to be true for many. Well, on this diet this is a great day of eating and you followed the rules perfectly with that meal plan. When you eat a very low amount of carbs, your body gets put into a state of ketosis. What this means is your body burns fat for energy. How low of an amount of carbs do you need to eat in order to get into ketosis? Well, it varies from person to person, but it is a safe bet to stay under 25 net carbs. Many would suggest that when you are in the induction phase, which is when you are actually putting your body into ketosis, you should stay under 10 net carbs. If you aren't sure what net carbs are, let me help you. Net carbs are the amount of carbs you eat minus the amount of dietary fiber. So if on the day you eat a total of 35 grams of net carbs and 13 grams of dietary fiber, your net carbs for the day would be 22. Simple enough, right? So besides weight loss, what else is good about keto? Well, many people talk about their improved mental clarity when on the diet. Another benefit is having an increase in energy. Yet another is a decreased appetite. One thing to worry about when going on the ketogenic diet is something called keto flu. Not everyone experiences this, but for this that do it can be tough. You will feel lethargic and you may have a headache. It won't last very long. When you feel this way, make sure you get plenty of water and rest to get through it. If this sounds like the kind of diet you would be interested in, then what are you waiting for? Dive head first into keto. You won't believe the results you get in such a short amount of time. What are you waiting for? Let's get you started with keto today.